I've decided to not use shorts or pants because we're just going to get wet anyways. So we're going to take a little tour of the neighborhood here, see how it looks. Like I said, it's pretty deep. Looks like everything's flooded. Gonna document this. I don't even know what time it is. It's pretty cool. Looks like they've got some suction things up here. All the drains are clogged. They just redid these drains probably 2-3 months ago. And you can tell it's pretty flooded here. In this area, looks like it's almost 6 inches deep. Like, my ankles are, buried here. This guy's pretty deep too. Just gonna take a little tour here. See where this blue hose is going. Probably gonna get sick from all this. Better than wearing shoes, I guess. Oh, that's probably not better than wearing shoes. There's probably bugs and stuff everywhere. Let's see how all this is going here. Looks like it's just pumping it to the street. Okay. So that's always a good sign. I'm gonna head back here. Go back to my fortress of solitude. This place over here was flooded last night, and looks like it's still got 2 inches of water here. This is probably the worst part. The 4 inches deep here. Gonna jump in the pool. Pool's actually overflowing too. Probably a good time to jump in the spa. Good fresh water in there. Yeah, these things can't pump fast enough. That's a fire hazard. Just glad we got sandbags. I guess we should have known when we moved in that any place that has sandbags, we should probably be weary. Did, however, give me a good chance to mop the area where the sandbags were. So look, it's nice and clean. Didn't even have to use soap. So, fortress of solitude in here, and that's the end of it.